Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how we can paint lemons. So let's draw a basic drawing first and then we are going to paint it using watercolor. So you can start with the stem. You can have a little thicker stem and then you can have one or two lemon coming from that particular stem. So I'm creating one. The shape of lemon is quite simple. You can have little longer and oval kind of shape, little bit structure at the base of it, having pointed kind of a structure, something like this you can draw, or you can draw different size and shape of lemon as per your choice. Now you can start creating some leaves. You can keep one leaf near to the lemon, which I usually like to do whenever I try to paint any fruit, because that can pop your fruit better. And then you can have multiple leaves around it. So I'm creating something like this. You don't have to copy mine. You can create your own composition, or you can just Google it and find out different lemon drawing and draw anything whatever you like. So I have created two lemons like this, couple of leaves and a big stem in between. If you want, you can also have small flowers as well in between, although I'm not doing it. Now let's rub all the unwanted pencil mark. I am still able to see the marks clearly, so make sure you are also able to see it. Now let's start with the painting. Because we are creating lemons, so I'm using yellow color, which is lemon yellow, and just dilute it with the help of water. And then you can start painting the edges of the lemon. You can do this using wet on wet technique, so you can apply an ample amount of water and then you can use yellow color. But I'm not doing it here. I'm simply going through the edge and keeping the center part blank, because I need little lighter shade in that particular area. So with the help of clean brush, just try to dilute the color, try to avoid any hard edges, and once you do that, you will automatically have lighter shade of yellow as you are going inside the lemon. So you have darker color around the edge, and as you are moving towards inside, you have little lighter shade of yellow. And make sure you are able to see the white area as well, because we need some shiny area too. So I'm keeping the middle section white to have some shine in the lemons. So you can do the same thing for another lemon as well. So let's repeat the same process. You can use lemon yellow color, go around the edge and blend it using clean water. Make sure you have some negative space and some light area into the lemon. Does not matter which area, but keep some light area and white area as well. Now we're done with the first layering. If you want, you can have more lemon yellow around the edge to make it more darker. Now I'm using green color, the light shade of green, and I'm going around one area. So I don't want to have too much green into my lemon, but little bit of green is totally fine. So I'm going around one side of the lemon and adding green color, and same thing I'm going to repeat for the second lemon as well. So a little bit of green visibility in the lemon is also good, so you can have a little bit of green color as well. Now I'm using Indian yellow color just to have little darker color around my lemon, and you can also have little texture around your lemon area. So I'm adding dots of Indian yellow color, which is very different from lemon yellow. You can have two different colors of lemon, whatever you like you can choose. I'm using Indian yellow and lemon yellow color. So Indian yellow is more on the earthy side, so you can have little darker color and you can add little texture around your lemon. So just go around the edge, make it more dark with Indian yellow color, and then you need to repeat the same thing for the second lemon as well. If you find the lemon yellow is too dark, you can definitely lift color or blend it with the Indian yellow color or blend it with the lemon yellow. So those things you can try to finish the lemons. So let me finish both the lemons, and then we are going to switch to the leaf and stem area. Now I'm adding more yellow in between because I think white is too much, so I just need to hide the white area a little bit. So I'm using very diluted lemon color for in between area. I don't want to make it too dark. Now I'm satisfied with my lemon. I think it is quite good. Now you can mix little bit of blue and yellow together to have a nice green shade, and then you can start creating the stem area. So you can connect the lemon with the main stem with this particular color, and you can also paint leaves as well. So for the leaf, I'm not doing anything fancy, just filling the leaf area with this particular shade for all the leaves that we have, and then we are going to have some extra line and pattern with different shade of green. So that's the only thing we need to do for the leaf area. As I said, you can also have flowers. Lemons usually have white flowers if I'm not wrong, so you can have little grayish color to paint some white flowers in between this particular composition, and you are good to go. So let me finish my leaves first. Now we're done with the leaves, at least first layering. Now you can create a brown color, mixing all the primary color together, and you can have a nice shade of brown with you. You can make it more darker, having more blue or maybe red into it. So make your own brownish kind of color, and then you can start painting the main stem that we have. So this is the main stem. This has to be on the darker side, so just go around and have some texture as well into the stem area. Now you can make more darker green color, so you can mix your brown color into existing green that you have, and then you can just go around this stem area, have more line, texture and pattern into that particular area. And you can also create lines and vines around the leaf area that you have. So I'm doing it for all the leaves, creating the middle line and the sub lines around it, just to have more pattern around the leaf area. Otherwise it is totally optional. Anyways, we are more focusing on the lemon part, so you can have simple leaves as well. It is totally fine to have. And we are done with today's video. Hope this video is easy to follow and simple for you guys. And please do let me know if you have any kind of feedback for me, and thank you so much for watching my videos. See you all in the next video.